DIY Shopify is perfect when you're starting out. You launch fast, spend almost nothing, and learn what your customers actually want. But every growing brand eventually hits the breaking point. Your theme feels limiting. Your store looks good enough, but not premium. Apps slow everything down, and your conversion rate stops growing no matter how much traffic you drive. This is the moment you've outgrown DIY. Scaling requires clean UX, stronger branding, faster performance, and systems that automate, not overwhelm. When you're spending more time patching issues than improving the business, it's time to level up. A professional Shopify build gives you a scalable design system, fewer apps, faster pages, and workflows that connect seamlessly with Klaviyo, inventory tools, and fulfillment. It becomes a real growth engine, not a weekend project. If you're ready to move past DIY and scale with confidence, the Branded Agency can help you build a Shopify store designed for your next stage of growth. Hello.